I advocate Snehal Onskar would like to bring to your kind notice that from 1st April 2025, the Margao Municipal Council has decided to hike trade license fees in the Margao municipal area, which is inconvenient and a huge burden on the concerned public. I would like to talk on two establishments. One is advocates' offices and second is doctors' clinics. Many of my advocates friends have raised concern over this issue. Earlier, their fees were rupees 1,547, which has been increased to rupees 5,000. For doctor's clinic, if the area of the clinic is up to 20 square meters, then they have to pay rupees 2,500. If the area of the clinic is between 21 to 50 square meters, then they will have to pay rupees 4,000. If the area of the clinic is more than 50 square meters, then they will have to pay rupees 50 extra per square meter. So also, if they are using illuminated boards, they will have to pay rupees 1,500 per square meter and rupees 1,000 for every additional square meter. If they are using non-illuminated board, then rupees 750 per square meter and rupees 500 for every additional square meter. For example, if the illuminated board is of 3 meters, the tax will be rupees 3,500. If the non-illuminated board is of 3 meters, then the fees will be rupees 2,750. So I request all the concerned advocates and doctors to take note of this and raise your voices before your concerned councillor or MLA so that this unjustified hike is withdrawn. You may also take note that the sanitation fees payable are in addition to the amount I have mentioned.